This is question 18 on the higher non-calculator paper. Let's read the question first. It says, the diagram shows part of a pattern made from tiles. So it shows part of a pattern made from tiles. Let's see, it says tile A, tile B. Okay, the diagram's not drawn accurately, so I can't measure anything from it. The pattern is made from two types of tiles, tile A and tile B. Both the tiles are regular polygons, so both of them are regular shapes. That means all the angles in them are the same and all the sides are exactly the same length. It says, work out the number of sides of tile A. So, looking at this, I could see tile B is a triangle, right? And if it's a regular shape, that means all the sides and angles are the same, so all the angles in tile B are 60. And all the sides are exactly the same length. Tile A, I don't know how many sides it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 sides, but that's going to carry on. I don't know exactly how many sides it has. And not a lot of information has been given out there. Okay, so what I need to know to work out the number of sides of the shape? Well, I could either find the internal angle of the shape, or one of the clues to working out the number of sides a regular polygon has, or any regular polygon has, is if I know what the external angle is. Right, the external angle, if I extend a side, and I'll use my ruler to do that, do it properly. Okay, so if I could work out what an external angle is, then 360 divided by an external angle, or an exterior angle, that equals the number of sides. The 360 divided by the exterior angle gives you the number of sides. To work out the exterior angle, so that's the exterior angle. If I know what the interior angle is, I could work out the exterior angle, because those two add to 180 degrees. As you can see there, they're on a straight line. As I'm doing this, I think I've figured out what I need to do, because that angle there is an interior angle, so is that angle on that side, that's an interior angle, and this angle over here is 60 degrees. So all three of them should add up to 360 degrees. So I'm going to call this X. I'm just going to put X in there so I know what I'm working out. I know this is X as well, right? So to work out X, I'm going to add those three angles. So X plus 60 is going to add up to give me 360. So that means 2x is going to be 360 take away 60, and that means 2x is 300. Now notice I'm showing all my work in here because I don't want to lose any marks for this, and with all of this I'm getting marks. So x is 300 divided by 2, which is 150 degrees. So that means that's 150, that there is 150, and I know that one at the top there is 60. But how does that help me? Well, because I know the interior angle is 150, the exterior angle, right, is going to be 180 take away 150. 180 take away 150 is going to be 30 degrees. So that tells me the exterior angle is 30 degrees. I'm going to use the space down below to do the last bit of the workings. Now, 360 degrees divided by the exterior angle, 30, that's going to tell me the number of sides. Now 360 divided by 30, you can't do that. You could break it down. You could break it down into stages, or you could use the bus stop method. 360 divided by 30. 30 goes into 3, none. 30 goes into 36 once, and the remainder is 6. 30 goes into 60 twice. So that's a pretty straightforward way of working it out. So that's 12. So what that tells me is that the number of sides is equal to 12. So there are 12 sides in this shape altogether. 12 sides. Work out the number of sides in sides tile A has. Tile A has 12 sides. Okay, this is a particularly popular type question, right? Variations of this have come up a lot over the last 3 or 4 exam sittings. Make sure you know how to do it, and make sure if you get one similar to this, you can get full marks in it.